welcome to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, as you know, I'm Erika, and I am here baking cookies during this holiday season, and I have some great cookie recipes coming your way from now until the end of the year. I just ask you to please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And also remember to share and like. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. So today's recipe is a cornflake cookie. It has cornflakes and pecans and sugar and butter. Lots of good stuff to make another great cookie that you can share during this holiday time. So in my mixer I have a half a cup of butter, half a cup of shortening, vegetable shortening, and I'm just creaming those two things together. I'm going to add in now some sugar. That's 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to add that in. I'm going to stir this down. Mix these things together. So I hope you are all doing well, you and your family, and nobody is getting struck with this horrible illness that's going around the world. You know, we all have to keep ourselves healthy and keep ourselves safe and keep ourselves prayed up, because when we pray, the blessings, our prayers go up and blessings come down. You know, the Almighty Father is in charge of everything. When you let Him be in control, then you don't have to worry about anything. So, our butter and sugar is mixing together well. Let me just give that a little bit of a mix. Want that to get light and fluffy. Then I'm going to add the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Okay, I'm going to add my dry ingredients next. And that is 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and just a pinch of salt. And we're going to add those all mixed all together. And once those have all come together, we will add in our pecans and our cornflakes and get ready to bake these cookies. Mix this down a little bit. So we're going to continue mixing this until it all comes together. You don't want to over mix this dough. You want it to come out nice and tender. So continue watching it as you are mixing it. And it is coming together nicely. So when I saw this recipe, I thought, wow, it's a cookie made with cornflakes. I've never heard of this. don't ever remember seeing a cookie made with cornflakes. I thought I heard about something, and when I was looking for recipes that I could use, it seemed like I heard about something, but when I saw the recipe, I thought, I never heard of this one. So, anywho, I'm gonna mix the cornflakes and the pecans in, and then we're going to start baking these. You want to take your cornflakes and kind of give them a crush. You know, you don't want them to be full flakes. You want to kind of crush it up so they get mixed into the dough. I'm just going to mix that all in the dough together. Okay, so I am just getting the cornflake cookie on my cookie tray, and then we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and we're gonna see what we got. So here we are back. Our cornflake cookies are done. They are golden and crisp and delicious. I hope you get a chance to try this one during this holiday season or anytime during the year. This cookie is great. I do have an addition on the recipe. I had to add 1 egg to the recipe, and yeah, so 1 egg in addition to all the other ingredients. Also, I want to just remind you that every Friday during the rest of this month, I'm going to be giving away some cookies, the cookies that I bake on that day, on that Friday. So be sure to watch the video that uploads on Friday. If we upload every day at 3 a.m. In most cases. Sometimes we run a little over, but in most cases it'll upload at 3 a.m. And so as soon as you see it, please leave in the comment section the word of the day, and the first 5 people who respond with the word of the day will be getting a dozen cookies delivered to them on that Friday. So please, I'll be looking first thing in the morning for those 5 people who are in the greater Los Angeles area. I will let you know in the next coming days if I'm able to ship cookies to people who do not live in California or in Southern California. I'll let you know probably tomorrow. Then during tomorrow's video, I'll let you know whether or not I'm able to ship out of the state or out of the greater Los Angeles area. So again, I hope you like this video. I hope you try this cookie. I'm just going to give one a quick try. It is a very crunchy cookie, which you would expect from a cornflake, because cornflakes are crunchy. So you would expect the cookie to be crunchy as well, and it is crunchy. But it's buttery, it's corn flaky, it's delicious. So I hope you get a chance to try this cookie. I'm going to continue eating this one because it's good. And please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.